Subscribe to Smartphone Tutorials by clicking on the subscribe button, and do remember to click on the notification bell icon to get instant notifications.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul.
Alright, so that was quite an intro, wasn't it? And you were not expecting, I'm sure you were not expecting that I will dunk my OnePlus 5T, that is my daily driver, in water, and that too for such a long time. Well, first of all, happy Holi to everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I thought that, you know, it's a festival of colors. A lot of water is used in this particular festival, and I was at a water park. So I thought, why not seize the opportunity and make a particular video in which I'll be testing the phone for at least 1 to 2 hours in a water park under a lot of different circumstances. And that is what you will see in this video. A lot of slow motion videos in water, slides and stuff like that. Once again, hello awesome people, welcome to Smartphone Tutorials. Let's do the water test for the OnePlus 5T.
Hello awesome people, welcome to Smartphone Tutorials and happy Holi to everyone. This is sort of an unplanned video. We are right now at a water park. Alright guys, so it's a big moment. This is my daily driver. This is a OnePlus 5T. So I don't really know if it will survive or not, but from what I've seen so far, other phones have survived, so this one should as well. So stay tuned for some water shots and water videos.
Home today, until the very last hour. We still got a few more days to slay. It's gonna get so much louder. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul.
Alright guys, so it's been around 10 minutes that we are testing the OnePlus 5T in water. And I don't know, 1 second.
Feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips, and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
I look weird, but it's been around half an hour that I've been testing the phone underwater, and yeah, I mean, let me show you guys. So that is where we are at, and the phone is performing fine till now. There is no huge problem as such. So occasionally what just happens is, so when the water falls on the touch screen, there are accidental touches and stuff like that, but so far the phone is working perfectly fine. So I don't really know for how long it will survive. I'm pretty sure it will, and even if it doesn't, well, we have insurance in India. So off to some nice shots again underwater of the OnePlus 5T. See you guys. Alright, so right now, so right now it is 2nd of March, 8:15 in the evening. I've just come back from, a good day out with friends and family, and we were at one of the water theme parks and stuff like that. So currently the situation of the phone is it is about to die. It is at 1%, and what has happened is, so initially when I, put the phone in water, the speaker started muffling up, that was fine. The mic started acting up, that was still okay. And whenever there were droplets of water, dropping on the phone's touch screen, it was detecting them as a touch and it was going haywire. That is also fine. So, we did that. We played around in water with the phone without any protection for 2 hours, and it recorded a lot of videos without any issues. But now, one by one, the problems started coming up. As I said, there was water all over in the speaker, so the speaker was muffled. Say 1 hour after coming out of water, the speaker started working properly. I had to take the water out, and the headphone jack is working perfectly fine. Everything else is working fine. SIM 1 was not getting detected, so I had to go ahead and remove the SIM tray, blow a little bit air inside and put it in, and now it's working fine. So right now there's only a couple of problems that we have, is that the front camera and the rear camera seem to have developed some sort of moisture, extremely small water droplets known as fog. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch the phone off and I'm going to switch back to my OnePlus One for now, and I'm going to leave this phone, the OnePlus 5T, in rice for 24 hours. Now if this test succeeds, we will come to a conclusion that the phone is indeed some sort of waterproof. Now let me tell you that this problem only happened because I deliberately put the front camera under a huge pressure of water and the rear camera under a huge pressure of water. Before that, while I was swimming, while I was taking the slides and the phone was with me all the time, there was no problem as such. If you directly put a lot of splash on your phone's cameras, it will gather water. That is where the problem is. So if you're in rain, or if you dunk it in, or you drop it in water by mistake, there should not be a problem. But for now, I'm going to put this phone in rice for the next 24 hours and we will see if the problem is solved or not. So before we end this video, let me just show you what exactly the problem is. So as you can see, this is the front camera and those are all the water droplets inside. And if we look at the rear camera, yeah, the rear camera is much more evident. The one to the left, as you can see, it has some sort of water droplets inside. So that's what the problem is. Nothing major as such. Everything else is functioning perfectly fine on the phone. And yeah, so let's put it in rice and I'll get back to you towards the end of the video to share my results and whether or not we'll be claiming insurance or not.
Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything and lose it all, lose it all, lose it all. Feel it in your arms, feel it in your legs, feel it on your fingertips and feel it in your head. Just let your body go, just let your body go, just let your body go and move to the rhythm.
Alright guys, so there you have it. That is the result, and if it's not evident enough, yes, the phone has survived after being in rice for like 12 to 15 hours. Everything, all the traces of water from the phone are gone. The phone is perfectly working fine. I have inserted both my SIM cards. I charged the phone, discharged it, the camera, the sensors and everything else is working fine. So it looks like although OnePlus has not claimed that this is a water resistant phone, it very well is, because that is what we found out with this particular test. And I'm really sure you enjoyed the music and the great video. So if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. And oh, before I go, here's a card to our latest giveaway. Watch that video, participate and stand a chance to win a brand new Redmi Note 5 Pro. Once again guys, thank you for your time. Until next time, stay tuned, keep smiling. Goodbye.
Feel it on your fingertips and feel it